Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Basupanti. Today we are going to perform the experiment on disproportionation of benzaldehyde. So what do we need? We're going to react. We'll take the sodium hydroxide. It's 18 gram. Okay? 18 gram in this much. It's not, right? And I have 18 milliliter deionized water. I'll pour it here. The reaction is highly exothermic. It's very hot. But I need to dissolve this one completely. I need glass out. That to dissolve it completely and very respected. And sodium hydroxide is very concentrated solution. It's very hard. It's very porous. And what we're going to do once we make this solution, we'll mix with the 20 milliliter benzaldehyde. 20 milliliter benzaldehyde, and we'll leave it for 1 week. And what happens when we come back? The benzaldehyde disproportionates. So it changes to sodium benzoate and then potassium benzoate or benzoic acid and benzyl alcohol. And we'll separate those components and analyze it. Okay, this is completely dissolved. It's quick, right? It's quick. It's very hard. So, what I'll do? The benzaldehyde, put in here. 20 milliliter benzaldehyde. And I'm going to add, that's very viscous, potassium hydroxide. Right? Swing it. It's very hot. It's hot. So let it to cool down. We mix it. Okay, we have to start the experiment early. We cannot complete same day because the reaction takes time to complete. It's really hot. I'll leave it like that. And when it cools down, I'll put the cork on. It's really hot. I'll wait maybe 10 minutes. Then I'll put this cork here and leave it there for 1 week. Then we perform from there. We separate the benzoic acid and benzyl alcohol from the product. We continue from there. Hello everyone. We were going to talk about the disproportionation of benzaldehyde reaction. Last week we mixed benzaldehyde with potassium hydroxide and left it there. Now it must have reacted and produced benzyl alcohol and potassium benzoate. Now we have to separate them and analyze it. First, let's dissolve everything in deionized water. It looks like a solid, okay? So here, out of two products, potassium benzoate is soluble in water and benzyl alcohol is soluble in organic solvent. Let's first dissolve the solid in deionized water. Keep adding slowly and keep stirring until it dissolves. Okay, the solid. Dissolves completely. Out of these two components, one is soluble in organic solvent, one in aqueous or water. I added some water here. I'll use the magnetic stirrer to dissolve everything. Stir it. If it doesn't dissolve, I'll add more water, okay? So still you can see something. Wait until everything dissolves. If not, we can add a bit more water. While it's dissolving, get the separatory funnel to extract or separate those compounds. Put it here in a warring with a cap and by another the techniques. See, there is some, and there's some more work to do. Yeah. Now I want to remove my methylene chloride from my benzyl alcohol. So I have to do the simple distillation. Let's do the setup here. So I need to find the stand. Okay, and I have to clamp this one properly. Pull it up. That's good. So whatever is coming out, the dichloromethane, we collect it here. We need the hose. Water in, water out. Right. For you. Welcome back in. This is in the water. Alright. Make sure it's opening. That's good. No water leak. So they can start the heat on, but we put that. We need to put the thermometer here. Keep hitting slowly because methylene chloride is 39.8 degrees centigrade, but benzyl alcohol is 205 degrees centigrade, so it does not come up. Keep heating until the temperature remains 40 degrees or all the dichloromethane is done. I'll continue from there. It's heating, okay. And while it's going with the reflux, you to get it correct. So I set up my filter flask. I'll make the filter wait. So I'm working parallelly here. I hope you can see it. Like down the filter paper there. And this is benzoic acid. After filter it within the vacuum filtration I set up. I know you know how to do filter paper or the filtration, the vacuum filtration. So just put it there. I have ice cold water. I'm using this water to transfer everything. And so wash the big tub and all that, okay? Everything you need to wash lots with the cold water to remove sweat from any acid. Okay, everything needs to be clean. I transfer everything, so now you need to wash more. We'll make it empty. So you need to wash more. Make it empty. So I'm going to wash more. What is that? Ice cold water. Ice cold water I have here. I only know if the wash is enough. I'll just pour it a very bit. Got me everything. If it's ice cold, it doesn't matter. You use the excess. I have the wash is enough. There is no more acid. I just want to confirm. No, it's still acidic. We need to wash more. So now you can see on the side, the dichloromethane started coming out. See the drops here? So we'll keep heating and the temperature is about 40 degrees. So keep heating until most of the dichloromethane is coming out. Most of the dichloromethane is coming out. And keep washing the benzoic acid. I have the other end. I'm going to test it. Let's see. It's still acidic. So once more. I believe it's free from the acid, so I'm not going to test anymore. We wash a lot. This is the benzoic acid. We need to recrystallize. Let me get the paper thing. So what we need to do, we need to transfer this benzoic acid in a beaker. This is crude product. We call crude product. So I'll transfer to the beaker. Everything I transfer in the beaker, I will do this question. So I transfer the benzoic acid here. I have the magnetic stirrer. I need to dissolve in water. So first I'll put about 15-20 milliliter water. And I start heating. Okay, my hot plate is on. So I'll heat it slowly until it dissolves. So I'm doing the experiment parallelly here. In one place I'm trying to recrystallize benzoic acid. What is this one? It is insoluble in cold water but will be soluble in hot water. So we have transferred it here. Let's heat the water with the magnetic stirrer. Okay, slowly. And the other side, we are removing the dichloromethane. But now let's move this one on the side. Anything left over crystal, I'm going to transfer it here. The benzoic acid. So where will talk? This solid, which is insoluble, will be soluble in water. I have to wait and see what we can get. Okay. See, the dichloromethane is coming. It's working sideways, and here we stir it slowly. We'll keep heating until we dissolve everything, the benzoic acid, because it is soluble in hot water. And when you cool down, we get the nice crystal. That's the step of purification. We call recrystallization. Okay? So the compound dissolves in hot solvent and reappears in cold solvent. I don't need this one right now. I can move it on the side. So in one place, we are removing solvent from benzyl alcohol. Other place, we are recrystallizing benzoic acid. We keep heating until it dissolves. Then I'll show you when it dissolves. If it does not dissolve or the water is not enough, when it's hot or boiling, then add water slowly. What you can do, you can put water in a beaker on the side and you keep adding the hot water is going. Then just do it slowly. And turn off for a while. So this one, distilling the dichloromethane is almost amount, and there is only a little bit 4 or 5 milliliter left. It's coming slow, so I'm going to turn up this one. The heating mental that it to cool down. Only remaining dichloromethane will come out, and whatever remains there should be benzyl alcohol mostly with some solvent left or right. This one is still not dissolved completely. We have to wait or keep heating until everything dissolves. Then we'll cool down and we'll have the nice crystal reappear. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. So I was talking or boiling benzoic acid. I boiled it. It was clear solution. I put ice cold bath, everything. Now you see the nice crystals, needle shape crystal. Now we need to filter it and dry it and collect the melting point. When you filter, make sure you wash with the ice cold water. I'll show you in a minute. And the other one, benzyl alcohol, once we evaporated dichloromethane, and I washed twice with sodium bisulfite and water. Then the top layer is the organic. You can see there is some little bit water looks like. So we'll add the drying agent. So for the drying agent, we put little bit magnesium sulfate and swing it. Let's see, maybe one spatula first. It there. I'll see anything. 3. So a little bit more, not much. Little bit. Okay, I did. Now there is some free, and I don't see any two liquids or water solid. So I'll let it to sit for 5 minutes and weigh it out and collect the IR of this compound. You will collect the weight. This is your benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol, the liquid, not the solid, liquid. We'll filter it and collect it. Let it to sit for 5 minutes. We absorb all the water. The benzoic acid, instead of the filter glass, okay, like so to clamp. Another freedom, right? Pour this way. But there is some. This black adapter, put the on it, filter paper, dab with water, and pour everything nice crystal to filter. On the vacuum on. Very nice crystal. Look like a bottle. This is ice cold water just to clean it, wash it. Try to transfer everything as much as possible. Now, this is the benzoic acid. Dry in hot air oven or leave it for 1 week and collect the melting point. And you can do the IR as well for analysis. Okay, that's that. And this one, the liquid, it's about 5 minutes already. So I'll decant the liquid yolk mass. Collect the weight of this one first. I tear this one, so I know how much I have it. So I'll collect, transfer the liquid only. That's the benzyl alcohol what I have. It says 4 to 5 grams. So I have liquid yet. This one I have 5 grams. Yeah, I'll collect the IR later. Okay, so that's it. You have 2 products. You started from benzaldehyde. Now you separated benzoic acid and benzyl alcohol. That's all. Thank you for watching.